before that, I would like to bring some comments from Baba. Baba used to say that this science is 200 years ahead of time, and doing something, creating a science 200 years ahead of time is not that easy thing. Baba said that in 200 years, the scientists will come to understand these microvita inside the matter. They will come to understand the role of this microvita in organizing the world. That means in 200 years' time, the evolution of human mind will have come to that level that it can reflect and can chart out the road and create a scientific understanding of that. So it says that, it means, it implies that we are able to have that mind and use that mind today, 200 years ahead of time. So this sadhana system that we are doing, or that we have, is a great asset, or great instrument in creating that kind of a mind that can think and see things 200 years ahead of time. Because you can create that science today, and the common people will keep evolving for 200 years to come to the same understanding of things. No wonder when we are watching from yesterday's presentation, the string theories and other theories and other theories, and somebody is writing that the scientists have understood that one step more and physics will become metaphysics. All these things are challenging the scientists out there, the scientific community, to this reality that yes, they will have to create a new science altogether. And that new science, yesterday we saw, is already taking shape. People are already imagining about the new science, that you may simply compress the space and travel instead of having a jumbo jet polluting the air and so many things. You simply cross the area simply by knowing how to compress or deal with the space. So there's one scientist, I don't know his name by just off my mind, the memory, but it is in my files, I will show you. They are saying that how life can come out of non-living particles. The body is made of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, things like that. So how we should be living if we are made of them? And he said that there is only one explanation can help understand this process. And that explanation is that things which feel must be made of things that feel. That is the conclusion. Things that feel must be made of things that feel. So what is coming to is that the atoms are also feeling. Okay? And this is what Baba has been telling. The atoms are also having desires. And Baba said that in this whole cosmos, there is only one way, there is only one law for expressing your desires. Getting close or getting away. Getting close or getting away. Atoms are doing the same thing for creating molecules, getting close or getting away, and again getting close to some other group and creating other molecules. Humans are also doing the same thing. We do the same thing in so many areas, physical area, in psychic area. Mentally we like something, we go close to those faculties, we start researching those faculties, enjoying those faculties. One day we change that and we go to another faculties. In the mental world, in the spiritual world, in the physical world, we are also doing the same thing. We come close to something or someone, we get away from something and someone, like that. So there is pulsation going on. The expression of samskara, or the expression of mind, consciousness, is always like a pulsation. It will get close or get away. And there is a charged particle here which draws them close or get away, like the gluons. Now, me and you both can be connected simply by having a ball to throw to each other. The ball is keeping us connected in a game. Just like that. So scientists are coming to understand or explain the same things. So today's class is very much into microvita in biological life. So yesterday we were into material sciences, today we are into life sciences. We are trying our best, and as I said in the very beginning, yesterday, these are the first steps we are taking. We have to go a long way improving these things, and we felt that somewhere we have to start. So we are starting like that, and there will be more people to question, to improve upon it, and then to add more inputs and refine it and fine-tune it. Finally, it becomes a testable theory. Okay? If you don't start anywhere, you don't reach anywhere. So please again, we expect very challenging questions from every one of us. Okay? The first question that came to me 5 years ago, I was in Puerto Rico giving a program in one university after giving neo-humanism and yoga workshops and introductory. Then I was invited to chemistry department, and they wanted me to present microvita. So somehow I presented there. Then somebody said at the end, Swami, do you think it's really a science or it's a philosophy? And that stuck in my mind. Yeah. Then I thought, then I should also start questioning myself. Is it really a science or is it just a fantasy of the mind? And why not we start from here, that we say that it is just a fantasy of the mind, to prove ourselves being wrong. Okay? So, big mess of activities going on. Let us see. The journey is there. Let's see where we end up. Welcome.